Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to close a survey and stop accepting new responses in just 6 simple steps. First, let's head to your dashboard and select the survey you'd like to close. Just click on it to open it up. You'll see several tabs at the top of the page. Go ahead and select the Collect Responses tab to manage your survey distribution. Here you'll see your active collector listed. Look for the 3-dot menu icon next to it and give that a click. From the menu that appears, choose Close Collector. This will immediately stop that specific link or distribution method from accepting any new submissions. You'll likely see a confirmation message pop up. Just click Close Collector again to confirm your decision. Perfect! Your collector is now closed, which means participants can no longer access or submit responses through that link. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly close a survey collector whenever you're ready to stop gathering responses.